Hey everybody, it's Danny K and Vader, aka Honk Your Horn, wishing you guys a very happy new year in gloomy California today. We had a pretty exciting, awesome 2022. We started out by airing the last half of season 3. We had a behind the scenes special for that. We announced season 4 on May the 4th at Scum and Villainy. We went to Star Wars Celebration Anaheim. It was his first celebration. I think he had a pretty good time. We had a Halloween special that hit over 200,000 views on YouTube. Wild. We had a little Thanksgiving. And we had a little Christmas. And we are so looking forward to you guys seeing season 4 in 2023. Everybody, have a great New Year's Eve night. Be safe. We'll see you in 2023.